Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix vertical lines on your Hisense TV screen.
Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Step 1. Turn off your Hisense TV. Step 2. Unplug it from the power outlet. Step 3. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check HDMI/external devices. Step 1. Disconnect all HDMI and external devices. Step 2. Turn on the TV to see if the lines disappear. Step 3. If the lines disappear, reconnect devices one at a time to find the faulty source. Fix 3. Adjust picture settings. Step 1. Press menu, picture on the TV. Step 2. Reset picture mode to default. Step 3. Turn off any advanced settings like noise reduction or dynamic contrast. Fix 4. Update firmware. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Software Update. Step 2. Check for available updates and install them. Step 3. Restart your TV. Fix 5. Loose or damaged cable. Step 1. Check the internal LVDS cable if you're comfortable opening the back panel or external HDMI cables. Step 2. Ensure all connections are secure. Step 3. Replace any damaged cables. Fix 6. Factory reset the TV. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. Step 2. Confirm the reset. Step 3. Set up your TV again.